Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you create this text effect using video effect in CapCut for PC. So it's super simple. For example, for instance, I'm just going to select black screen and I'm just going to add text, select default text. Change for the text. And resize and change for the font style and color. And after drawing, we are just going to select the clips, right click and create company clip. Go to effect and select a retro, scroll down and select torn frames. See for the final result. It's so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please write in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.